I wanted to show you this shifter before I send it out. Make sure it's what you want. If you haven't taken yours out, this is what it looks like. It's just a plastic piece of junk. The only thing that does anything, all the electrical switches are in this little thing. I think that's the part number you looked at first, was that little switch. So this cover sits on like that, and the little trap door is there. If it ever gets locked out, you push a screwdriver in it and pushes that plastic thing down and unlatches the plastic so you can shift it through the gears. But I wanted to show you the little mechanism. It's, see if we can get the light right. There at the bottom, there's a little racetrack. See if I can, yeah, you can see how it kind of moves in the, get the latch done. It slides around there. It's a plastic racetrack, and the piece that slides on it is a spring-loaded piece of plastic. So it's plastic on plastic. And that's the way it is. I think yours may just gotten stiff, especially with the low miles as you've gotten. You can just get crud up in there. The plastic kind of galls on the plastic and makes powder and makes it kind of sticky. But this one I put some silicone goo down in there that it shouldn't get hard with cold. It should stay the same, and it's shifting pretty smoothly. See if I can make it go. That's the plus and minus and neutral. There's reverse. So it returns and does everything it's supposed to. And I did test it. I put it in my car and ran it, so I know the switch is good. In fact, but yours is good too. If you had to, you could just undo this and pop that little part out and put yours in. The plastics on this are ugly. This piece is kind of gnarly looking, but it's not that hard to pop off. If you want to transfer yours over, there's a little clip right there and there. You pry it up with a screwdriver while you kind of wedge it off, and do the same thing over here. And you can pop that piece off. These little crud keeper outers, let's see, this one goes on like that. I think it kind of spins around as you shift, and then this one goes on top. And I busted it just now as I was brushing it off with a brush to get the crap off of it, so it's kind of useless. But it just keeps the dirt out. I mean, it probably worked better without it. It's just you can kind of see the mechanism down in there without them. Yours, low mileage, is probably in better shape. This knob's gnarly. Yours is probably in better shape. So let me know if that's what you think you want.